masks which are easily and available in the market. So here's a short video. In this, it is describing the technique and the armamentarium in detail. So this is the matrix nitrous oxide machine, and as you can see, this is the digital one. So this is the mask. You have to just check the mask. The tubings are all checked. Okay. The video is visible to all. So as you can see, the digital, this is the digital one. So this is oxygen flow, and this is the flow rate, flow per minute, the 5 thing. And these are the pointers from which you can just operate the flow of the gases. So the mask is put. This, you can tie the mask from this hood, the reservoir bag. So there are 4 cylinders in this. Okay, so again, he's telling you the size should be maintained, should not be oversized, should not be small, so that the patient doesn't feel claustrophobic.
Okay, so once you set this up on your patient, your next step, I'm going to remove this so we can get a few other unit. Your next step would be to actually set your flow rate.
Okay, so main thing you have to check for the reservoir bag. The reservoir bag should be properly inflated. So this will be measured by the flow rate. Okay, so whenever the patient will start breathing, you'll see certain activity in the reservoir bag. So now the patient is breathing. Can you see the inflation, deflation? So you have to carefully see the reservoir bag before introducing your nitrous oxide to the patient. So now it's got deflated. So once you see during the procedure deflation is there, you have to increase the flow rate. So see, he is increasing the flow rate. Eventually the reservoir bag got inflated again. So the patient is breathing properly now. Okay. So this is the flow per minute of the gases. This will be constant during the procedure, and you have to always check the reservoir bag. Now, these are the buttons from which you can just regulate the gases. So now, once he'll start decreasing the oxygen, eventually your nitrous oxide will start increasing. See, now he's decreasing the oxygen level, and so this means 75.
25% is going to be nitrous. 75% 25% nitrous oxide, 75% oxygen. Now, you can see we have a nice little graph here.
So these are the flow meters which are showing the flow of the gases to the patient. So this one is your oxygen flow meter gas. This is your nitrous oxide. So now when he has reduced 50%, okay, so 53.5 liters per minute oxygen and 3.5 liters per minute nitrous is delivered to the patient currently.
Okay, so once this is set up, what can happen is you got to keep in mind as you're titrating them in your percentages, all right, you're basically always one step behind. The reason being is because of this breathing bag. We're actually mixing the gases into this breathing bag, and the patient is breathing from this bag.
So you have, the main thing you have to take care of this reservoir bag during the administration.